Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best mobility walker is probably one of the most important tools for maintaining independence and enhancing the quality of life for many adults. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of adult mobility walkers, exploring the different types available, from standard walkers to those with wheels and seats. We will also discuss key features to consider when making your choice, ensuring you find the perfect walker to suit your individual needs and lifestyle. Number 5. Drive Medical 10210-1 Folding Walker. This rolling walker is designed with your safety in mind. It features easy-to-use push-button mechanisms that can be operated with minimal effort. Built with durable aluminum, this walker is both strong and lightweight. It provides reliable support without being cumbersome. This walker includes 5 wheels, a comfortable vinyl hand grip, and smooth gliding rear caps. These features ensure a comfortable and stable experience. Each side of the walker operates independently, making it easy to navigate tight spaces. It offers increased stability when you are standing. The walker is height adjustable and supports users up to 350 pounds. It is designed to provide reliable support for adults and seniors. What we like? This walker is constructed from sturdy aluminum, making it lightweight yet strong. It features a push-button mechanism for easy operation. The rear glide caps allow it to move smoothly across surfaces. If you are looking for a walker that is easy to maneuver and lightweight, this is a great option for you. What people say. The height is adjustable, which allows for people with a range of heights to be able to use this properly without bending over or having incorrect arm positions. It's lightweight, too, and folds up well. They are very easy to adjust to the proper height. Number 4. RINKMO Rollator Walker with Seat and 8 Wheels. This RINKMO Rollator walker is designed to help seniors and those with mobility issues walk with greater ease and confidence. It features adjustable handles to fit users from 5 to 6 feet tall. The walker also includes a seat and backrest for resting. The walker is constructed with a premium aluminum frame, making it both sturdy and lightweight. It can support up to 300 pounds, while the walker itself weighs only 15.6 pounds. This design ensures safety and ease of use. This Rollator walker comes with a removable nylon shopping bag for storing personal items. It also includes a cane or umbrella holder, allowing users to keep their hands free. This feature adds convenience for daily activities. The Rollator measures 24.2 inches wide, 27.5 inches deep, and 37.4 inches high. The seat dimensions are 18 inches deep, 10 inches wide, and 21.6 inches high. It includes a 2-year warranty and 24/7 support. The walker has a dual braking system for safety, allowing users to lock the rear wheels when sitting. It's also foldable for easy storage and transport. The compact design makes it ideal for both indoor and outdoor use. What we like? This Rollator walker comes with a seat and backrest, allowing you to rest whenever needed. It also includes a convenient storage bag and cane holder. The dual braking system ensures safety and smooth rides. If you need a walker that provides both support while walking and a place to sit, this is the perfect choice. What people say. My main criteria for choosing a walker was lightweight, 8 wheels, a seat that would accommodate 300 pounds, easy to fold, easy to assemble, and some sort of storage bag. This Rollator not only fit the bill, but also has a cane holder, which helps because I have to walk to get into the car after loading it into the trunk. It also has little pedals behind the back wheels to help lift and push it over curbs. Number 3. ELENKER Upright Walker with Wheels, Backrest and Seat. This upright walker is designed to help you maintain an active lifestyle. The adjustable armrests keep your forearms at a natural level, which can relieve stress on your shoulders and back. With its 10-inch wheels and 360-degree swivel front wheels, it offers excellent maneuverability. The ergonomic hand brakes allow you to easily slow down or stop the walker. It's easy to assemble and folds up for compact storage. It also comes with a detachable storage bag and a cane holder, so you can keep your hands free. The breathable mesh seat and backrest provide comfort and support. When you want to sit, simply push the hand brake forward to lock the rear wheels. Each walker is tested before leaving the factory. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. We are always here to help you. What we like? This upright walker is designed to keep your back straight and relieve stress on your shoulders. It features 10-inch front wheels for stability and maneuverability. The padded armrests provide added comfort. If you like to maintain an upright posture while walking and need extra support, this walker is ideal for you. What people say. The upright design encourages good posture and reduces strain on the back. The 10-inch front wheels make it easy to navigate both indoors and outdoors, even on uneven surfaces. It folds easily for storage and transportation, which is great for travel or keeping it out of the way when not in use. Number 2. Standard Wonder Rollator, lightweight, folding walker. This rollator features a patented folding technology, making it incredibly compact. It folds up to a fraction of its size, perfect for saving space and easy transport. The built-in seat provides a safe and comfortable place to rest. It's designed to support up to 250 pounds, offering a convenient spot to sit while you're out and about. Forget about complicated assembly, because it comes pre-assembled. Simply adjust the handles to your preferred height and it's ready to go. Weighing only 14.5 pounds, it's designed for travel and everyday use. The 6-inch wheels provide stability, and the locking brakes give you control. It's ideal for those with mobility challenges, offering reliable balance and support. It helps you walk with confidence and regain your independence. What we like. This rollator boasts a compact folding design, making it easy to store and transport. It includes a perch seat for quick rests. It comes pre-assembled, ready to use out of the box. If you are looking for a travel-friendly walker that is easy to store and use, you should consider this one. What people say. The walker is very easy to maneuver. It folds up easily for storage and transport. The seat is comfortable and the hand brakes are easy to use. Number 1. ELENKER Upright Walker with Seat. This walker is designed to help you maintain an upright posture. The padded armrests keep your forearms at a natural level, relieving stress on your shoulders and back. It allows you to remain active and comfortable. Featuring solid PVC wheels, this walker ensures a smooth ride both indoors and outdoors. The ergonomic hand brakes provide easy control, allowing you to stop or slow down effortlessly. It offers stability and security with every step. Assembly is easy, with no tools required, and it folds up compactly for storage. It also comes with a detachable storage bag and a cane holder, keeping your hands free. This makes it convenient for everyday use. The breathable mesh seat and durable backrest provide comfort when you need to rest. When sitting, simply push the hand brake forward to lock the rear wheels. It's designed for your comfort and convenience. Each walker is thoroughly tested before it leaves the factory. You'll also receive 24-hour customer service via email. We are committed to providing you with the best experience. What we like. This upright walker is designed to keep your back straight and relieve stress on your shoulders. It features large wheels for stability and maneuverability. The padded armrests provide added comfort. If you like to maintain an upright posture while walking and need extra support, this walker is ideal for you. What people say. Came 2 days easier than expected, packed very well, easy to assemble. Arms tilt forward slightly, rather than level or back. Though that confused me, it's amazingly comfortable. Height adjustments are perfect for me, other brands were always slightly too high or too short. The arms are also slightly closer together than others I've had, and this is much better this way. Plenty of seat for a wide man like me. Came away from walking with no pain compared to others I used before. Very nice. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.